Hi guys, this is Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry. Let's wrap today a simple bead. I will show you how I do my way. So all you need is some beads, and your tools. What I do usually, I measure, so to make them perfect, you have to measure a length between your bead and between the loop you want to do. I always use my pliers as a reference. So you push your wire. Also, I have marks on my on this tool too. So sometimes I make these rings, sort of loops, or this one. Always for this bracelets and stuff or necklaces, I usually use the small one. Also for my earrings. So you should mark yours, and that they will be perfect that way. So you go around, change a little bit position of your pliers, and slowly wire wrap around. If you want it, you can go up and then cut your wire. I need my cutters. So you're cutting your that's how it should look. So you can use a bunch of your beads in your designs. One of my latest bracelets, and it's very simple. Just use 2 strands and jump ring that can't pass the beads, because this one will stay there, won't pass the beads, and just 1 bead. I hope it's helpful, and thank you for watching.